Hearing and acting on your intuition is the shortest, fastest path to what you deeply desire. So if you deeply desire love, listening to your intuition, following the nudges is the shortest, most aligned path for you to get there. If you deeply need and desire success in your business right now, listening to your intuition, first you have to hear it, calibrate yourself, understand it. Listening to it and acting on it is the fastest way to success for you to achieve that. However, here's the hiccup, which is what stops most people. It's not the logical, sensical thing that makes sense. And the shortest path might still be feeling long. It might be 18 months as opposed to 4 years. You don't know. I don't get when I get my intuitive insight, oh, this means in 3 weeks, XYZ will happen. It doesn't work like that. However, I do know when I get the information that is the shortest, clearest path that allows me to always be aligned with my center, with my integrity, with who I am. The reason your intuition helps you find the shortest path that is deeply, specifically aligned to where you are, some people call it your internal GPS. Other people call it your operating system. However you want to think of it, each human being has within you the ability and the knowledge, what is the shortest, most direct path from where you are right now. However, like in a game of chutes and ladders, that path isn't necessarily logical. It might seem like some wooded, forested path going through random place. Some of the paths that I have been led on, they don't make sense. I have had to take a leap of faith. It's okay to take a leap of faith in honoring your intuition and in listening to it. However, if it's a big leap of faith, then you want to be somebody who has honed your intuition. That's why the best thing is for you to start now, to start today. There will be a link in my bio soon, hopefully by the time you watch this. You can sign up for a free 3-day workshop I'm teaching called You Are Intuitive, where I'm going to teach you super easy, super simple, super fun ways to start tapping into your intuition. Because it's amazing to use your intuition to hone in on little decisions and develop it in not serious circumstances so that when you have big decisions to make, your intuition is easy to follow because you know to trust it and take that leap of faith. I'm Rachel, the psychic, author of Talk to the Trees. I work one-on-one and in group programs. Feel free to reach out if you want a session. It has been such a delight to talk to you.